Senator, hello, how are you? You good? Sorry, I'm Karina. I don't know if you remember me. I just want to know if you can commit, as my senator, if you can commit to passing a reconciliation that could provide a pathway to citizenship for immigrants. We have been waiting for this for too long, and I just need to know if you can commit to passing a budget reconciliation that would include immigration and citizenship for people to be protected, like me and many others. Can you commit to that, Senator? I'm just asking you a simple question. I'm being vulnerable right now to you. My dad passed away. I know, but my dad passed away. My dad passed away last year, and we didn't get to reunite with my family. I don't want to disturb you, but at the same time, I just want to see if I can get a commitment from you, Senator. This is my life and the life of millions in the line. I just need to hear from you. Can we get a commitment from you to get a pathway to citizenship through the budget reconciliation to protect me and millions like me? Can I get a commitment from you? All right, Senator. I see that you don't want to respond. Thank you for your time. I was trying to ask you a question.
Oh, okay. Did you even have a question?
Yeah, what is that?
Did somebody ask you?
No, I was asking them.
Did somebody help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get an explanation with the American right
You can
now.
do the right thing.
All I want to know is what the specific things are that you're looking at. We know that you're part of the negotiations. My hometown is worked really hard to make it happen. So I just wanted to ask, what are the things that you would like to see us